Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
I know it's a Friday evening and people might be looking out for parties and all, but can we have a louder good evening? Good evening, everyone. Thank you. Right. So I'm Gurmeet Singh and I warmly welcome you to this session of My Story session with Miss Ashwini Tanibond. We are pleasure to have her here. So I'm interested with the task to introduce TIE to you. Right. That is what I'm here for, and I'll do that. Right. Most of them you might already be aware about what TIE is. I'll do a just quick recap and won't take much of your time. So TIE is nothing but all about fostering entrepreneurship. Right. TIE, a little bit about TIE's history. TIE started up in 1992. Was started by iconic entrepreneurs like Kanwal Rekhi, Vinod Khosla, among others. TIE has been focused on nurturing next generation as well as the present generation of entrepreneurs. With presence in 17 countries, 61 chapters and more than 15,000 members across the globe. TIE is one of the largest non-profit organization for entrepreneurs. So, as I mentioned, it's about fostering entrepreneurship, it's about mentoring, networking, that is what we are about. This event is all about inspiration. I'm sure we'll be inspired by the speakers which we have today. Right. Then TIE hosts a wide variety of programs and events, including TIECon. Apparently, TIECon is happening in this month, late this month, and Vishwas will talk about it in detail a little bit later. So, what kind of TIE programs which TIE Pune organizes? My Story sessions, something like this which we are having right now. There are a lot of mentoring sessions of senior entrepreneurs like Vishwas, Ajay, Kiran Deshpande. They all come together and devote their time to mentor entrepreneurs, young entrepreneurs. I'm sure most of some of you have been benefited by their advice. Breakfast meetings, which happens usually on Thursday mornings at Grub Shop, which is just around the corner on Law College Road. Then there are a lot of training workshops which are usually organized on Saturdays. And then other events like Business Plan and Nurture Initiative, which I'll just talk about. My Story sessions, till March 2012, TIE did 22 sessions, My Story sessions. 15 sessions in this financial year, and this one is going to be the 16th. All in different formats. This particular one is dedicated to women entrepreneurs. Then we had first generation entrepreneurs. We had social entrepreneurs. Then we had a special series on inheritors to innovators. Then we have series on Puneri brands. Right? And all these sessions have seen more than 2,000 people attending these sessions, and they have been benefited. For some of you who have missed those sessions, there are videos on YouTube, photographs on Facebook. Please go ahead, follow us on YouTube and Facebook, Twitter as well. Right? So some of the speakers which we had in the past for My Story sessions, right? I'll just name a few, like Mr. Sanjeev Bajaj from Bajaj Finserv. He was there with us for Inheritors to Innovator series. Then Mr. Mukhtar Tejani of GITS, he was here with us for Puneri brands. And we have a special guest, Farooq Engineer, the cricketing legend. Right. Then interactive breakfast meetings are, as the word suggests, interactive. They're a lot more interactive. A small group is driven by one senior entrepreneur or someone from the industry who drives the discussion and adds value to it. So we had sessions on B2B selling, right from building teams, applying theory of constraints to holistic leaderships. And it happens every Thursday morning, 8:30 to 10 a.m. Right. Other activities, as I mentioned earlier, B-Plan competition. So for the last 2 years, TIE has been organizing B-Plan competitions, which is part of Rice Business School competition, one of the largest business school competitions happening across the globe. last year, 2 of the teams were successfully mentored and they went to the finals for Asia Rounds to Delhi. A total of 20 teams participated in that. Workshops, as I earlier mentioned, selling, funding, business model, then entrepreneur personal impact, finance for entrepreneurs, right? And most of the events are, believe me, are oversold, right? So if you have missed one, I'm sure you would love to join the remaining ones which we have for this year. The new initiatives, Nurture and Stree Shakti Women Entrepreneurs Forum. Nurture is an event which was launched last year, and the second session is going on right now, where senior entrepreneurs have come forward, dedicated their time and are engaging with young entrepreneurs for a period of 6 months, helping them refine their business plan and the businesses. So TiECon, which is happening on the 30th of March at Hyatt Regency, I'll invite Vishwas to do the rest of the talking on Hyatt, on TiECon, which is happening for the first time in Pune. Vishwas, can you please share something about TiECon?
Good evening, everyone. Good evening. So, how many of you are TiE members here? How many of you are not TiE members? It's a great opportunity for you to sign up as a TiE member and absolutely attend this wonderful, celebration of entrepreneurship. The one-day event that we have is a TiECon, which is a signature event of TiE. This happens in every TiE chapter once a year, and happening for the first time in Pune this time. The highlight is, of course, it's on the 30th, so you've finished your financial year and are looking forward to the next one. And the theme is appropriately the future. As entrepreneurs, we are all interested in and anxious about the future, because what future holds for us, the opportunities and challenges it holds is all, it makes us anxious. So hopefully we will have, enough discussions around that. Some very, very iconic speakers have confirmed. Narayan Murthy will be there. He will be the morning keynote, and then throughout the day we have sessions planned. Things on funding. We're going to have a reverse pitch by about 15 to 18 venture capitalists who will pitch back to the entrepreneurs, specially tailored for the startups. Also, we have a session on growing up. So, we have growth stage entrepreneurs. For them, we are actually having sessions. We have, very much sessions on social media. We have some iconic speakers that are going to be a part of this. This really promises to be a wonderful event, and I encourage all of you to definitely join. The website is just launched today. So it's tieconpune.org. So if you're on your smartphones, you might want to check it out as you hear this, or but not while you hear Ashwini, because it's so nice of Ashwini to have come all the way from Kolhapur, and she's going back tonight. So just for this event, Pune. So without further ado, I just wanted to just tell you about TiECon and invite all of you. It's going to be a wonderful experience for all of us, and moreover, we have coupons. So for the value of ticket that you register, on the same value you are getting back in coupons. So it's a virtually free. So obviously we have limited seats. So please be early enough and enjoy the show, and enjoy the evening with Ashwini, moderated by Nandita.
Thank you, Vishwas. I'll just like to mention something about TiECon. If you're registering, make sure that you register as soon as possible, because we have something called as combo offer, where you can apply. This is especially for the non-members. You can apply together and take a TiE membership for a year, as well as the event, which is at a highly discounted price. Right. So I'll just move on. Nurture 2.0 initiative I've already spoken about, so I'll skip this. Then such kind of events cannot be possible without the efforts and support from partners. Some of the event sponsors are Clarion Ventures, Cosmos Bank, and our knowledge partners are MCCI. We are using their infrastructure to host this event. Clarion Venture Partners, they are angel funders, incubators, accelerator. They provide space and incubator infrastructure to get you started, a host of other things like assist you with marketing through CMO guidance.